Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyvin, and for those of you who are new here, hi, hope you guys are doing well. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time I post a new video. In today's video, I'll be using the Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place, and using this I'll be creating nice burgundy purple smoky eye kind of a thing. So if you do want to know how I transform myself from this to this, then please keep on watching. I'll be starting by first moisturizing my face, and for that I'll be using the Garnier Skin Active Moisture Rescue Gel Cream. Moving on to foundation, I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation in the shade 310 Sun Beige. This is one of the oldest foundations I have. Obviously this bottle is new, but I definitely love this foundation. It gives you this demi matte finish and like a medium coverage, but you can always build it up. It's just a beautiful foundation and it's very affordable. For concealer, I'll be using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Sand. I'll be setting everything in place using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Light. Now here I did apply a bronzer, but my camera decided to shut itself off. So for bronzer I used the NYX Cosmetics Matte Bronzer in medium, and I followed it with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Blush in Mellow Mauve. I followed it with the Maybelline highlighter, that is the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in Molten Gold. Moving on to eyes, I'll be using the Juvia's Place Masquerade Mini Palette and taking that purple burgundy kind of a shade on a dense brush. I'll be stamping it down on the outer corner of my eyelid, and then once I feel I have achieved like a good amount of saturation, I'll be blending it in towards my crease. For my next shade, I'll be taking this dirty brown color and taking it on a more fluffier brush. I'll be applying it just above my crease where the first shade was applied, so that they blend into each other to achieve a more seamless finish. The only thing I'm doing here is going back and forth with the two shades like I always do, so that I achieve a good finish, a good blend, and the saturation and pigmentation is bang on. For the center of my eyelid, I'll be taking this bright pink color on a flat brush and then applying it. Now let me be frank, this color looks very beautiful in the pan. It is like a bright pop of pink with some golden silver flecks in it. But as you apply it with a brush, you somehow don't get that shimmer transferred to the lids. So I was very disappointed in that, to be frank. But the color in itself is very pretty. It's a bright pink shade and it looks very flattering against the dusky mauvey purple color that we had before. For my next steps, I'll be smoking out my lower lash line using the dirty brown shade as well as the purple shade on a more dense tiny pencil brush. Here I'm using the Kajal liner from K by Katrina, and I'll be placing this majorly on the outer portions of my lower lash line so that later on we can take a dense brush and smoke it up. For mascara, I'll be using the Essence Get Big Lashes Volume Boost Mascara. I'll be using this champagne shade as my inner corner highlight and the highlight under my brows. Yeah, I don't know what I was trying to do here, so please bear with me. So I've been asked a lot of times what I do for my brows, so this is how I do it. I use the Morphe brow cream in chocolate mousse, and taking an angled brush, I just fill in the sparse spaces because I normally have a very fuller brow. For lips, I'll be using first the Bella Vost lip liner in shade 011. I'll be following this with the Wet n Wild lipstick in Mocha Licious, and then the Wet n Wild x Bretman Moloch lip gloss in Ferocity. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please don't forget to like and share it with your friends and family so that we have a small family here on YouTube. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I post a new video. If you ever recreate this look, please don't forget to tag me in your recreations. I would love to see them. And if you have any other questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comment box below. I love reading your comments. And until next time, bye, see ya. I hate the gloss. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time I post a new video.
I can't give you that, I'm sorry. नहीं दे सकते तुम.
Need this lipstick on my teeth. In 2 minutes, please don't make any noise, people. Please just stay shant. 2 minutes. To this, then. Hey, you're spoiling my brush.
All to the town. No, I won't give you this. I gave you a brush, please take that.
Skull candy, skull candy.